Looking for ways to boost sales and customer engagement with a simple yet effective tactic? Did you know that over 60% of shopping carts are abandoned before checkout? However, studies have showed that reminding shoppers of products they recently viewed can significantly increase conversion rates. That's where the Recently Viewed Products extension for your Foxify pages comes in. This extension is built right in Foxify Page Builder, allowing you to easily add a Recently Viewed Products section to your pages within one click. By leveraging the power of the Recently Viewed Products extension, your store can enjoy several benefits. Increased sales. Remind customers of products they considered, prompting them to revisit and likely buy. Enhanced engagement. Keep visitors interested by showcasing relevant items they might have missed. Improved user experience. Offer a personalized touch that makes navigating your store more convenient. Simple setup. The extension integrates flawlessly with Foxify, requiring minimal effort from you. Welcome to Foxify Tutorials by FoxEcom. Today, let's learn how to add the Recently Viewed Products extension to your pages.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now, let's dive into how to add the Recently Viewed Products extension to your Foxify pages. It's a breeze. Head over to your Foxify dashboard. Navigate to the App Extensions option in the left menu. In the extension library, search for Fox Recently Viewed Products. Once you find it, click Install Extension. Now, open your chosen Foxify page and add the section where you want. It's highly recommended to add the Recently Viewed Products section in your home page, product pages, and any landing pages. That's it. The Recently Viewed Products section will be automatically populated with relevant products for your visitors. View the page on your live store to see the actual products. With the Recently Viewed Products extension in Foxify, you can easily create high-converting pages that remind customers of their interests and drive sales. Recently Viewed Products extension is just one of the many ways Foxify empowers you to build amazing online stores. We offer a vast library of app extensions that seamlessly integrate third-party app features, allowing you to customize your storefront with just a few clicks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Foxify tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching.